Good afternoon everyone. How are you today? Fine. Yes. I am also fine. I am Jyoti Panjre. Today I will teach you which subject? English subject. Today I will teach you English subject. In which class you are? Yes, tell me in which class you are? You are in LKG. In which class you are? LKG. Okay, we have learned, in previous lecture we have learned sound of A, B and C. Okay, we have learned sound of A, B and C. Today also we will revise the sound of A, B and C. Today we will revise sound of A, B and C. Okay? Tell me, which A is this? This is Mama A. A. What is this? A. What is this? A. 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 A for apple. A for apple. A for arrow. Arrow. Apple. Apple. Arrow. Arrow. Ant. 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 Okay. A for apple. A for arrow. A for ant. Apple. Apple. Arrow. Arrow. Ant. Ant. Okay. What is the sound of A? A. 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 What is the color of apple? Red. What is the color of apple? Red. What is this? Arrow. 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 Ant. Okay. Now you repeat after me. Okay. Apple. Apple. Arrow. Arrow. Ant. Okay. Again, you repeat after me. A. Apple. A. Arrow. A for ant. Apple. Apple. Arrow. Arrow. Ant. Ant. Okay. Understand? Understand or not? Yes? Yes. Good. Very good. Okay. After A, which letter will come? B. Which letter will come? B. How you will write B? Standing line. How you will write B? Standing line. Half cup. Half cup. B. Okay. How you will write B? Standing line. Half cup. Half cup. B. Okay. This is Mama B. And this is baby B. Which B is this? Mama. This is Mama B. 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 What is this? B. What is this? B. Yes. Repeat after me. B. Repeat after me. B. Repeat after me. B. Yes. Very good. B. 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 Okay. B for ball. Okay. B for bat. B for bat. B for ball. B for bat. B for bat. B for bat. Okay. Then next B for balloon. B for bus. B for bus. What is this? Bus. You go school by bus? Yes or no? Yes. Okay. Bus. Which color? What is the color of bus? Yellow. What is the color of bus? Yellow. Bus. Bus. Okay. B for ball. B for bat. B for bus. What is this? B. What is this? B. B. Ball. B. Ball. B. Bat. B. Bat. B. Bus. B. Bus. B. Bus. B. Bus. Okay? Understand? Yes. Repeat after me. You have to repeat after me. Okay? B. Ball. B. Ball. B. Bat. B. Bat. B. Bus. B. Bus. B. Bus. Okay? Understand? Yes. A. Apple. A. Arrow. A. Ant. A. Apple. A. Arrow. A. Ant. When you say a, you have to open your mouth. Okay? And then you have to say a. Okay? B. B for ball. B for bag. B for bus. B. 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 Bag. B. Bus. B. Bus. B. Bat. B. Ball. Okay? Yes. What is sound of A? A. What is sound of B? P. What is sound of B? P. You have to round your lips like this. P. Okay, how you will say? P. Okay, how will you say? P. A. B. A. B. A. B. A. Apple. A. Arrow. A. Ant. B. Ball. B. Bat. B. Bus. Okay. A. B. After B. C. How you will write C? How you will write C? Like this. Half curve. Okay. How you will write C? Half curve. How you will write C? Half curve. Okay. How you will write C? Half curve. you will write C? Half curve. Okay? How you will write C? Half curve. Okay? Yes. A, B, C. And this is small k. K. What is the sound of C? 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 K. 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 A, B, K. K. C for cat. C for cat. C for cat. C for cat. C for cup. C for cup. C for cup. C for, yes, cake. C for cake. Okay. C for cake. C for cake. But we will learn C for car. Okay. C for cake also and C for car. Do you have car at your home? Yes. Very good. Where you go with car? You go with your parents in car? Yes. C for cat. C for cup. You drink milk, tea in cup. C for car. C for car. C for car. C for cat. C for cup. C for car. C, 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 cat, c, cup, c, car, c, cat, c, cup, c, car. Okay. What is the sound of C? K. 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 Cat. 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 Cup. 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 Car. Cup. Car. Okay. C for cat. C for cup. C for car. Okay. Cup. Cat. Cup. Car. Okay. Repeat after me. Cat. Cup. Car. Okay. You have to repeat after me. Cat. Cup. Car. Okay. This is the sound of C. C. K. C. K. C. K. C. K. K. Cat. K. Cup. K. Car. Okay. K. Cat. K. Cup. K. Car. Okay. This is, we have in previous lecture we have learned this. So today we have done revision. Okay. A. Apple. Arrow. ball. B, bat. B, bat. B, bus. B, bus. B, bus. C, cat. C, cat. C, 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 car. C, car. C, car. Okay. Double P L E, apple. Why we say double P? Because two P's are there. Two P's are there, so we say double P. If only one P is there, so we say P. There are two P's there, so we say double P. Double P L E, apple. Double P L E, apple. Double R O W, arrow. Double R O W, arrow. Two R is there, that's why we say double R. Two R is there, that's why we say double R. Ant. Ball. Ball. Bat. Ball. Bat. Bus. Bus. Cat. Cat. Car. Okay, we have learned. In previous we have learned these three sounds, and today we have done revision of this three sounds. So you have to practice at your home. A, B, C, K. Okay, so you have to do practice at your home. Okay, we have learned A, B, C. After C, which letter will come? Yes, tell me. After C, which letter will come? After this A, B, C, and after C, which letter will come? D. A, B, C, D. So how you will write D? Yes, tell me. How you will write D? How you will write D? Yes. How you will write? Standing line, half circle, half curve. D. How you will write? Standing line and half curve. Like this. Standing line and half curve. D. Okay. Now this is baby D. Which D is this? Baby D. This is Mama D. This is D. 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 What is the sound? What is the sound of D? D. What is the sound of D? D. Okay. D for door. D for door. Okay. D for, yes, you have learned a D for dog. D for dog. This is D for door. This is D for dog. What is this? D for dog. D for dog. D for dog. D for door. D for dog. D for drum. Have you done? Have you done? Drum. This is drum. Okay. D for door. D for dog. D for drum. D door. D dog. D drum. D door. D dog. D drum. Okay. Repeat after me. What is sound of D? D. What is sound of D? D. What is sound of D? D. D. Door. D. Dog. D. Drum. Okay. D. Door. Repeat after me. D. Door. D. Dog. D. Drum. D. Door. D. Dog. D. Drum. Okay. Repeat after me. D. 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 Door. D. Dog. D. Drum. Okay. D. Door. D. Dog. D. Drum. Okay. Understand? D for door, D for dog, D for drum. D. Door. D. Door. D. Dog. D. Dog. D. Drum. Yes, repeat after me. D. Drum. D. Drum. D. Drum. D. Dog. D. Dog. D. Door. D. Door. D. Door. D. Dog. D. Drum. Okay. How many sound we have learned? A, B, K, D. Okay. A, B, K, D. Okay. How many sound we have learned? A, B, K, D. Okay. Repeat after me. A, B, K, D. Okay. How many sound we have learned? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many sound? 4. Repeat after me. A. Repeat after me. A. B. B. K. K. D. 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 A. B. K. D. A. B. K. D. Okay. A. B. K. D. A. B. K. D. A. B. K. D. Okay. Yes, very good. Clap for yourself. Very good, very nice. You have given very good performance. Okay. So you have to revise this at your home. Okay. A. B. K. D. Very good. Okay. Now today I am giving you homework. You have book ABCD at your home. In that pink color book is there. In that capital A and B is there. Okay. Your homework is you have to write capital A and B in your workbook. Capital A and B. Okay. You have pink color book at your home. So you have to write only capital letters A and B. Okay. Take help of your parents and write capital A and book. Pink color book is there. Pink color book is there. Okay, so you have to write capital letter A and B in that book, your homework. Okay. Bye. Have a nice day.